Hey there, Trailblazers. Buckle up, because today we're stepping into one of the most oddly named periods in US history, the era of good feelings. Sounds like everyone was skipping through meadows and sharing cupcakes, right? Well, sort of. Let's dive in. The era of good feelings, which lasted from about 1816 to 1824, was all about national unity. Picture this. The War of 1812 is over, and for the first time in a long time, America's not squabbling with other countries, or itself much. Think of it like that brief moment of calm in a group project when everyone agrees on what to do, before chaos resumes. President James Monroe, the main character of this story, took office in 1817. With his calming presence, Monroe helped usher in a time when Americans started to really feel proud of their country. There was a booming economy, Western expansion, and, get this, a temporary pause in political bickering. That's right. For a while, there was only one major political party, the Democratic Republicans. Imagine social media today with everyone agreeing. Crazy, huh? But don't let the name fool you. Not everyone was feeling good. This era also had growing tensions over things like slavery and states' rights. It's like when someone eats the last slice of pizza at a party. It's all fun and games until someone starts arguing. Now let's shift gears to one of Monroe's most famous power moves, the Monroe Doctrine of 1823. Trailblazers, this was the ultimate "you can't sit with us" moment in US history. Here's the tea. Europe had been eyeing the Americas like a buffet, hoping to reclaim or expand their colonies. Monroe, with a little nudge from his Secretary of State, John Quincy Adams, decided to shut that down. The Monroe Doctrine basically said, "Hey, Europe, hands off. The Americas are our turf now. You stick to your hemisphere, and we'll stick to ours." What's wild is that Monroe's bold statement didn't come with much muscle behind it. The US wasn't exactly a global superpower yet, but guess what? Europe mostly respected it. It was like a small dog barking at a big one and somehow scaring it off. The Monroe Doctrine became a cornerstone of US foreign policy. Over the years, it was used to justify everything from protecting Latin American countries to, well, meddling in their business. But that's a story for another time. So there you have it, Trailblazers. The era of good feelings brought a moment of peace and unity with some underlying drama, and the Monroe Doctrine made it clear that the US was ready to play in the big leagues of global politics. Pretty bold for a country still figuring itself out, huh? Stay curious, stay sharp, and remember, history isn't just about facts and dates. It's about stories that shape who we are. Until next time, Trailblazers, keep blazing those trails.